Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Emmanuel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove Composer, PHP Composer from your PC. So that PHP Composer package manager, if you are tired of it, you want to remove it. Firstly, there are two primary ways I will use. So you can either go to your settings, just search for settings there, or you use your control panel. I use Windows, so any of them is going to do it for me. So whether I take this my settings route or I use my control panel. So if I use settings, I'm going to have this, and it's going to list out all the apps that are on my PC. So I may choose to use the control panel too. If I search for control panel, let me show you this real quick. Now I can see uninstall a program right here. So if I click here, it's still going to lead me to the place where all the programs on my laptops actually are. So you can use any of the two ways, but I won't be using this. I'll be using this. So I can just look for the Composer PHP dependency manager. Make sure you are clicking the right one, and then I click uninstall. This app will be uninstalled. So I'm going to click this, and the uninstall process is on. Yes, uninstall. Now my uninstall processes is almost done. I'm going to click yes, and I'm going to wait till this uninstall status is off rather. It's done. Well, I want to delete your user data, and that was all. So this has been successfully removed from my PC. I don't have Composer again. If I check this place, if I check again, it's going to be removed. That's it. So I don't have Composer again. Now that is how to work with PHP Composer. You might want to learn how to work with PHP. I've created a tutorial from beginner to advanced on PHP, so do well to hit like and subscribe if this video has helped you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.